Hey, this is Openbox and welcome to another video. Today we'll be reviewing the Razer Blackwidow Lite. This is a keyboard that is mechanical and has the Razer orange switches. Now let's get right into the unboxing. Now this keyboard is a very small and compact keyboard from Razer. This keyboard is not actually quite as small as a 60% keyboard, however it just does not have the number pad on the right side and whatever is above it. Alright, so if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn post notifications on, as I post a lot of gaming peripheral videos for you to enjoy and watch. Alright, so let's get right into the box. So instruction manuals as usual, and of course the Razer stickers, which a lot of people like, especially 6 years olds. Alright, so this is the keyboard. As you can tell, it is quite a small keyboard, and especially for my hands, it is actually really quite small. Yep, as you can see, the orange switches are right there, and so let's just see how this keyboard works. Okay, so this is the USB to micro USB, as this keyboard does not actually have a built-in USB, so you can actually detach it, and it's a lot better, especially if you're trying to use it and take it with you wherever you go. Alright, so you can easily remove your switches with the switch remover. I'm pretty sure that's what it's called, and it's really basic. You just plug it in and pull it out. As you just heard, it is a very quiet keyboard, and it has orange switches which are very silent. I was actually forcing the buttons down and it made that much noise, which is actually really little noise, especially if you want to work in an office environment. So of course you can make the keyboard stand up a bit more, so then it is easier to type, and it actually really sits comfortable for your hands. So another letdown is actually the RGB lighting, which is not actually RGB, it is white lighting only, which is quite a letdown and one of the biggest cons on this keyboard. So thanks a lot for watching, and hopefully you subscribed and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and have a great day.